Hello everyone, welcome back to Viya Constructions. Today we'll see the floor plan walkthrough of a 3-bedroom east-facing house. The total area of this house is 1,869 square feet, out of which 1,299 square feet is in the ground floor and 570 square feet is in the first floor. Come, let's have a look at the details of this house. There is a small sit-out of area 30 square feet. There is a granite seating area provided in the sit-out. The car park of this house has been done as a standalone unit, separate from the rest of the house. Pergolas with glass shade have been provided in the passage from the car park to the house. From the sit-out, you enter a large drawing-cum-dining space. This is an L-shaped space and you can visually separate the drawing and dining areas by the use of curtains or wooden screens. Two large French windows in this space provide excellent cross ventilation. There is a niche in the dining area that can be used as a wash unit. It can also be converted into a puja room if required. The staircase to the first floor also begins from this space. We'll come back to the staircase in a while. This plan is done in an open kitchen format. The kitchen has an area of 104 square feet. There are 3 windows in the kitchen. The kitchen has a U-shaped worktop. One of the countertops also double as a breakfast counter. Storage spaces can be provided at the top and bottom part of the kitchen. There is also an equally big work area provided adjacent to the open kitchen. There is a servant's toilet provided near the kitchen. Of the 3 bedrooms in this house, 2 bedrooms are in the ground floor. Both the bedrooms have attached toilets. The first bedroom has an area of 168 square feet and the second has an area of 148 square feet. As we saw earlier, the staircase to the first floor starts from the drawing area. This is an L-shaped staircase and can be given steel handrails. There are 4 large windows along the staircase providing excellent lighting and ventilation. The staircase takes you to an upper living area attached to a balcony in the first floor. The third bedroom in this house is also in the first floor. The bedroom is similar to the large bedroom in the ground floor and has an area of 168 square feet. There are 2 large windows and an attached toilet in this bedroom. Adjacent to the upper living area, there is a long laundry space enclosed by grill work. This is a utility area where you can do your laundry, ironing, or even your daily exercise. This utility area opens into an open terrace. Let's now have a look at the completed house. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share your feedback in the comments box. Thank you for watching. See you soon.